was born to a queen and a king. She was called Snow White. When a queen died and king married again, but a new queen was wicked and hated Snow White. A new queen gave order to Snow White tried as accepted. It made Snow White every day sad and crying. Snow White grew beautiful, and one day a prince riding by saw her, and he fell in love with her. Who is she? What a beautiful she! I must know her name. I must know about her. But a new queen was a beautiful too, and every day she asked her name. Magic mirror, magic mirror, who is the fairest in the land? And the mirror answered that the new queen was the fairest in the land. Oh my lord, you are fairest in the land. It made the queen happy. But one day, the magic mirror asked her that Snow White is fairest in the land. Magic mirror, oh my magic mirror, ha 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 ha. Who is the fairest in the land? Ha 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 ha. I am sorry, my lord, but I think that Snow White is fairest in the land. It made the queen angry, and in the end, the queen gave order to one of her huntsmen to take Snow White into the wood and kill her. Huntsman! My husband, come here! Husband, come here! So Huntsman comes. What happened, my king? Huntsman, you must take Snow White into the wood and kill her. Let's go! But on the way, the huntsman had cut her. He caught to die and took Snow White to run away. Snow White, you are going to the wood because it is very dangerous. You must help yourself. Be careful, Snow White. Don't cry. But Snow White cried. Husband, don't leave me! Snow White ran away and ran away. She ran away into the wood, fell. She ran away, fell into the wood where seven light others were. Their house was very small and dry. She entered their house. Excuse me? Anybody home? Hello? I think that this house is empty. So she entered their house. Oh, it's very untidy. She must clean up. I'm tired. And Snow White slept in one of their bedrooms. When the seven light had come home, she was very surprised finding Snow White. Na 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 na. Shh, shh, shh. What happened? Shh. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he sleep in my bedroom? Why? Shh. Hey, get up! Get up, hey! Princess! And Snow White opened her eyes. I'm sorry. I don't know. I think that this house is empty. I don't know. I'm sorry. After some argument, the Cephalopoda let her stay, and she promised to cook and look after them. The queen discovered where Snow White living, and disguising herself as a witch. Snow White. Snow White, I know that you still alive, but I must to kill you, Snow White, with a poisoned apple. I will kill you, Snow White. And then, this girl, a new queen, came to Snow White's house. Excuse me. Yes, what happened? Oh, I need some drink. I'm very tired. I need some drink. Okay, wait 1 minute. This is thank you. I bring some apple to you. Oh, you had got her. Thank you. Then C meets the apple, and C sunk into unconsciousness. When thinking she died, Cleopatra created some clothes for him and put her in it. And one day, a prince riding by took Snow White and caught her. Snow White, Snow White, I love you. But why do you leave me, Snow White? Snow White. And he laid it over and kissed her. And Snow White opened her eyes and smiled. Everyone was happy. And the prince, Snow White, I really love you. Won't you marry me, Snow White?